What if you could create professional email campaigns in minutes with AI, automate your follow-ups, and manage your entire email marketing from one dashboard? That sounds impressive, but does AIMailer actually deliver on those promises? Or is it just another AI marketing tool with big claims? In this review, I'll walk you through what AIMailer does well, where it falls short, and who I think it's actually built for. This isn't a hype video. It's a practical look at whether AIMailer deserves a place in your marketing toolkit. Email marketing continues to be one of the highest ROI marketing channels, but creating campaigns, writing engaging emails, and managing subscribers can quickly become overwhelming. AIMailer positions itself as an AI-powered email marketing platform that helps simplify these tasks. Instead of juggling multiple tools, it aims to bring email writing, campaign management, automation, and analytics together in one cloud-based platform. The real question is whether it actually makes email marketing easier. After exploring the platform, one of the first things that stands out is the AI email writer. Rather than starting from a blank page, you can generate marketing emails, newsletters, promotional messages, and follow-up sequences much faster. For creators or marketers who send emails regularly, this can save a significant amount of time. The email editor is also beginner-friendly. You don't need any coding knowledge, and the drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to build professional-looking campaigns. Managing subscribers is straightforward as well. You can organize contacts, import existing lists, and keep your audience in one place. Another useful feature is campaign scheduling. Instead of manually sending emails every time, you can prepare your campaigns in advance and let the platform handle the delivery. The analytics section gives you useful insights like open rates and click performance, allowing you to see what's working and improve future campaigns. Overall, the platform focuses on making everyday email marketing tasks faster and more efficient. Now let's talk about what you should realistically expect. AI can certainly help you write emails faster, but it doesn't replace good marketing strategy. You'll still need to understand your audience, write compelling offers, and build trust with your subscribers. Another thing to remember is email deliverability. No email platform can guarantee that every email lands in the inbox. Factors like your domain reputation, email authentication, list quality, and subscriber engagement all play a major role. So if you see marketing claims suggesting perfect delivery rates, take those with a healthy dose of skepticism. The software provides the tools, but your email marketing practices still determine your results. If you're already using advanced CRM systems with highly customized workflows, AIMailer may not replace every part of your existing setup. But for many small businesses, creators, affiliate marketers, and freelancers, it offers a practical collection of features in one place. I think AIMailer makes the most sense for people who want to simplify their email marketing without dealing with a complicated learning curve. If you're an affiliate marketer, blogger, coach, freelancer, agency owner, or small business looking for AI-assisted email creation and campaign management, you'll likely appreciate what the platform offers. On the other hand, if you're expecting AI to completely automate your marketing and generate sales on its own, that's simply not how email marketing works. Success still depends on your strategy, audience, and the value you provide. My overall impression is that AIMailer is a capable AI-powered email marketing platform that focuses on productivity rather than magic. It helps reduce the time spent writing emails, organizing campaigns, and managing subscribers, all while keeping everything in a single dashboard. It's not a shortcut to instant success, but if you're looking for an easier way to handle email marketing with AI support, AIMailer is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to learn more or check out the latest pricing and features, you'll find the official link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest AI software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.